Hello friends, it's Prajwal Pathak this side and you are watching my YouTube channel PyGuru. Friends, in the last video of this turtle series, we have learned how can you clear the screen of our canvas. Okay, so moving further in this video, we will learn how can you change the shape, size, speed and color of our turtle. Okay, and for doing this, we have several methods. For changing shape, we have shape method. For changing size or width of the pen, we have pen size method. To change the speed of the turtle, we have the speed method, and to change the color of the turtle, we have the color method. Okay, finally we will also be learning how can we use the help function. Now help function is a really important and useful function available in Python. You can use it if you don't know how to use a certain method in a module or a library. Okay, and doing so, let's get started with this video. Okay, for this I'm using my ideally, so let's go switch to ideally. And to use the turtle, first we have to import it, so import turtle. Now we have to create an object of the turtle class, so module name dot class name. Okay, always remember this T will be capital, and if I press enter you will see a window will open here. Okay, so if I press enter, a window got opened, and this at the center, this arrow is our turtle. Okay, see, by default this is the shape of our turtle, that is a arrow symbol. Okay, you can change this arrow to some other shape like a square, a circle, and a turtle too. See how can we change the shape, but before that, let's call the shape method on it. Okay, on our turtle. If I press enter, you will see it will print the name of our current shape. The current shape is known as a classic. Okay, this arrow symbol is currently known as classic. Okay, there are several names allowed, such as classic, arrow, square, circle, turtle. You can play between them. How can we change the shape? Again, use the shape method. Inside the shape method, you have to pass the name of the shape. So if I pass turtle here, you will see this arrow. Okay, this arrow will get changed to a shape of a turtle. See, this got changed to a shape of the turtle. However, the rest of the methods will work same. Okay, so t dot forward 100 pixels will move the turtle again 100 pixels. Okay, see, only this shape changed. Okay, and nothing else. You can again turn it left or right, anything that you want, 90 degree. Okay, and then you can again change the shape by using shape method, and inside you can pass square, okay, circle, classic, arrow or turtle. So if I pass square, it will get changed to a square. If I pass circle here, circle, and press enter, oops, sorry, I just saved it. We don't have to save it. Okay, see, it will get changed to a circle. Yeah, and if I pass arrow, it will get changed to arrow. See, classic is arrow is actually little different than uh, classic. Okay, arrow, and you can use the turtle as we used here, and you can go back. Okay, by using the shape method, and inside this pass classic to go to the original shape. Okay, and if press enter, it will change to a original shape that was somewhat like a arrow. Okay, and then you can use the reset method to clear the screen and send the turtle back to its origin position. Okay, we have learned about reset method in the last video. Okay, see, we got back to our origin position. Okay, now see, how can we change the size of our turtle? Okay, what is size? Size is actually the size of the line that is being drawn on our circle. Okay, sorry, canvas. Okay, you can change it using the size method, and actually it's not size method, it's pen size method. Okay, inside this we have to pass the amount of pixels that we want the that we want the width of the uh, you can say that line. Okay, so if I press 10 and t dot forward, you will see the if I now draw any line, it will be of width of 10 pixels. Okay, so because we have changed the width by 10 pixels. Okay, you can again pass t dot pen size and do something like 100 pixels, and t dot forward and 100 pixels. See, the current size is now 100 pixels. If you draw, let's first reset it. Okay, and it will clear the screen and send the turtle back to its origin position. You can create a circle of 100 pixels and see. Okay, resetting, remember resetting also changes the pen size by default to its 1. Okay, so this thing you have to keep in mind. So again, if you want to change it, 50 pixels. Okay, you can pass 50 here, and t dot circle. If you pass 100 here, you will see now the circumference will be of width of 100 pixels. See, it's a width of 100 pixels. Okay, this is how you can change the size of the pen. Okay, this is known as the pen size. Okay, hope it helped. And let's now reset it. T dot reset, and it will change everything. Okay, default and to default. Okay, now see here, how can we change the speed of this turtle? Okay, see, by default we are seeing an animation. If you are drawing a circle, it gets drawn. You can however, if you are drawing some large things like a house or a flag or creating a game, you might see that this animation is little annoying. So you can change the speed of a circle. Okay? Speed of a turtle. Okay, how can change the speed of turtle using the speed method? Okay, how to use this? Let's define t dot speed to be see, speed method takes values from 0 to 10. Okay, 0 is very fast. Okay, and you will not see any animation while drawing anything. Okay, and whereas 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 are in increasing order. So if I pass here, so speed t dot speed 0 is the very fast, is the fastest value. So if I draw any circle here, see, of 100 pixels, you won't see any animation. Oops, see, I got the spelling wrong. Okay, circle 100 pixels, and you will see there's no animation and just a circle was drawn. So this may be little, you can say that it's very fast. However, you can again change the speed using the speed method, and if you want to draw use any animation, you can always put the value between 1 to 10. Okay, and now if you draw t dot circle, okay, or see the code at this here at the below bottom. Okay, so if I press enter here, see, now a circle is drawn with an animation. However, if you again press 0, this animation won't be shown, and you will just see a random instantaneous circle here. Okay, spontaneous circle drawn on the canvas. Okay, now see, you can pass circle of speed. You can change the speed to 1 is the slowest value. Okay, if you change the speed to 1, and now if you draw a circle, first let's clear the screen. Okay, so it clears the screen using clear method. If you now draw a circle of with 100 pixels, the circle will be drawn very slowly. But let me change here the spelling because it's again wrong. Okay, it will throw error. So if I press enter, see, it's drawn very slowly. Okay, so this is how you can change the speed of the circles, speed of the turtles. Again, if you want to use this, you can also pass fastest. Okay, this is string and this is the fastest speed in inside the speed method we have to pass the fastest. Okay, because we are changing the speed using the speed method. Okay, fastest, and then t dot clear. Okay, it will clear the screen. See, I'm just using clear method to clear the screen. Okay, you don't have to use it. If you want to clear the screen, then only use it. Okay, and then t dot circle, and of suppose 200 pixels, and see, fastest, we didn't see any animation here. Okay, and you can also pass fast, slow, slowest. Okay, so these are several values that you can pass to change the speed of a turtle. Okay, now see how can we use the last method to change the color of a turtle. Okay, and it's actually very easy. We have to simply use the color method. Okay, let's make some spaces here, reset everything, reset. Okay, and now to change the color, use the color method. Okay, inside it pass the color of name of your color. You can pass English names like red, green, blue, yellow, maroon. There are lots of colors supported. We will learn them in some other video in detail. Okay, so I'm passing red here, and we'll see this black arrow will change to the red arrow. See, it gets changed to a red value. Now if I draw a circle by passing 100 pixels radius, see, a circle will be drawn with the red color. Okay, again you can change the speed, color, and then pass blue here. Okay, always remember this is string, so put it inside a quote. Okay, now see the arrow changed to blue color. Again we can create a circle, anything you can create. I'm just using circle because it's can be easily be drawn using the circle method, so I don't have to write full quotes here. Okay, and let's pass -100. See, now the color of the turtle is blue. Okay, again you can change color using the color method. pass yellow, green, anything that you want. Okay, and now this is changed to a yellow color. T dot forward, 100 pixels. See, now it is yellow color. T dot color, green, black, white, brown, purple. There are lots of colors supported. You can use any color that you want. Okay, so these are followed by 100 pixels. Okay, so these are several methods by which you can change the shape, size, speed and color of a turtle. Okay, let's finally learn how what is the help function. Help function we have already learned in our basic series. Okay, and this actually helps us a lot. Suppose you don't know what are the colors supported, what is color method, you can use it like this: help. Okay, help is a function. Inside it we have to pass t dot method name. Okay, your turtle name dot method name. So if I pass t dot color, remember not to use the parenthesis here. Okay, simply press enter. See, I'll get help regarding to this. Okay, so this is help on method coloring module tilter. Color method returns or set the pen color and fill color. What is saying that color method set the pen color. Okay, whatever the color you pass, it will set the pen color to the color that you have passed. Okay, there are several methods by which you can pass the color. Okay, like see here, you can pass the color string. Okay, in the RGB format, and yep, like red, green or RGB values. Okay, or you can even pass hex values. See here. Okay, so this is how you can pass colors here. Okay, and now see help function on t dot speed. Okay, so if I press enter, see, it helps us on the speed method. Return or set the turtle speed. Okay, this method set the turtle speed. See, 0 is the fastest, 10 is fast value, 6 is normal, slow is 3, slowest is 1. Okay, so these are several values. Okay, there's also attention, speed 0, no animation takes place. So as we saw, if you set the value to be 0 or fastest, there will be no animation on the screen. Okay, so this is how you can help the function on speed method. Then again, let's help function on t dot pen size. Okay, if I press enter, see, this is the help on pen size. Set or return the line thickness. Okay, it changes the thickness of the line. Okay, earlier says is pen size or width. Okay, okay, this is how you can change this. See, by default the pen size is 1, and you can change the pen size from by passing several values inside this parenthesis. Okay, like this 10 will set the thickness to be of 10 pixels. Okay, then finally let's apply help on t dot shape function. Okay, and if I press enter, see, set turtle shape to the given name. Okay, see, there are several names allowed like arrow, turtle, circle, square, triangle, classic. Okay, and then shape, if you pass turtle or shape, we got arrow, turtle or shape. You can set the shape using passing this string inside the shape method. Okay, so these are help functions that you can apply on things, methods inside the inside turtle or your turtle program. Okay, let's pass t dot clear method. Okay, and if I press enter, see, it will on the clear method. Delete the turtle's drawing from the screen. Do not move turtle. Okay, the turtle will be there as it was originally. Okay, so this is how you can use the help function. This is actually quite a useful function that helps us to how can we use the certain method inside the turtle. Okay, so this was it guys in this video. Hope it helped you. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can ask it in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next video.